Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading. I just wanted to give you a quick update on NVDA. NVDA is looking very bullish right now. We are above the 200, which is this pink dotted line. We are above the 50, and the 5 and the 13 are on a buy. And if that low is in place from the 4th of October, your target's going to be 239.92. But what I wanted to point out to you is that we are up against some resistance here. So I do want you to be a cautious bull. Okay, sometimes we make it to these targets and sometimes we come up into resistance and we make a deep downside correction. So I do want you to be aware of this resistance at 222.78 to 0.97 there, especially going into this turnaround Tuesday. Right, everybody, that's all I have for you for now. I hope you have an awesome rest of the day. And if you are not in the Fibonacci room, we ask you to please come and join us. Take care. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me